How to fix Zenless Zone 0 crashing PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you few of the methods that would help you to fix the issue of crashing PC in Zenless Zone 0 game. So in order to do it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply update the graphic drivers. For that, you need to ensure that your graphic card drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause stability issues. For that, you can simply visit to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. It can be Nvidia, AMD or Intel, and from there you can download the latest drivers for your specific GPU model. Then you can try to verify the game files. So sometimes corrupted game files can lead to crashes. So if you are using a platform like Steam or the Epic Games, then you just have to right click on Zenless Zone 0 in your library. Then you need to go to properties, then local files, and then click on verify integrity of the game files option. This will check and repair any corrupted files. Then what you can do is you can simply check your system requirements. So you need to confirm that your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements. If your hardware falls short, it might struggle to run the game smoothly. If these three methods doesn't work for you, then you can try the disable overlays and background applications. So disable any overlays while playing the game. Additionally, close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. You can even try adjusting the in-game settings. So you just have to lower the graphics settings within Zenless Zone 0. Try reducing the resolution, disabling anti-aliasing and lowering other graphical options. This can improve the stability. You can even try the monitor temperatures. So overheating can also cause crashes. So you just have to use monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. If they are too high, then you just have to consider cleaning your PC or adjust the fan speeds. You can even try the Unity error. So if you encounter a Unity related error, then you just have to try reinstalling the Unity engine. Then you need to download the latest version from the official Unity website and you just have to install it again. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the crashes that you are facing in Zenless Zone 0 in your PC. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.